Namaskar, and again, all of you for the 20th of August 2022 dictionary session. And I, Chandrasekhar, welcomes you on this online platform of Nishulk IAS, where we are preparing for the IAS and the UPPCS civil service examination in English medium and in Hindi Madhyam. The five words for today I have selected for you are align, alimony, align, LA, allegiance, align, align, हल्का सा गा जो है वो तालू से टकराएगा. Align, ALIGN, to arrange in correct order. Alignment होता है ना, alignment, we done with the wheels, car wheels. Alignment, align, to arrange in correct order, उचित व्यवस्था में करना in हिंदी. Align, to arrange in correct order. Please mention the word order. Order includes a chronology. Order includes a chronology and at the time. So order includes two more important components. First is the chronology, step by step, and that should step correspond to the timing also. That means it should not be delay or the before. So to arrange in correct order, उचित व्यवस्था में करना, align, alignment, sorry, alimony. Alimony, an amount of money that court order to wife or husband post divorce. That means if the court order that this amount of money you have to give to your wife, if the court says to the husband, and if the court says to the wife, then the certain amount of money you must be giving to your husband. So alimony is not something that only the wife is getting post divorce or the lady is getting post divorce. Alimony periphery also include giving out the some amount of money to the husband also. तलाक के बाद पत्नी अथवा पति को न्यायालय के आदेश पर निश्चित धन देना. तलाक अरबी और फारसी भाषा में से किसी एक भाषा का शब्द है. इट इज़ अ वर्ड दैट हैज़ बीन बोरोड इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज अंडर द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ द भाषा जिहाद from the Arabi or the Farsi language, because in Hindu tradition or in Hindu culture we don't have the arrangement of divorce. हमारे यहाँ तलाक की व्यवस्था ही नहीं है. आपको जानकर आश्चर्य होगी, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड certain universities are doing their PhD research how a couple of opposite sex, that is the man and the woman, not themselves into a marriage relationship for whole of the life without having any legal contract, right? Alimony, amount of money that the court order to give wife or the husband post divorce. Align, ALINE, align, wider, a thing which is wider at the bottom than at the top. Align, wider at the bottom than at the top. So this kind of arrangement is a align. LA, to make something, what something? Especially feeling less strong. To make something less strong, this is the common meaning. And to make something, especially the feelings, particulars, less strong, घटाना, कम करना अथवा तीव्रता को निम्न कर देना. LA, I allay his feeling towards subject A because I advise him to check out in this kind. Allegiance, maintaining continued support to the subject, person, thing or the organization. Now there is an argument from the opposition in Indian politics that there is a hyperinflation in the country. But contrary or the agony is this, despite this situation, majority of the voters have their allegiance to BJP. I am also the voter of a particular political party. Maintain continued support to the subject person, thing or the organization. विषय व्यक्ति संगठन को सतत समर्थन करना. Despite the fact you don't see who is the candidate, what is his biodata, what is his background, his or her background, you vote to particular organization or the particular party. You see that person as a candidate of that party, nominated candidate. So these were the 5 words for the 20th of August 2022. Again, tomorrow we are meeting with another new 5 words. Till then, goodbye, Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.